Imagine pressing a button, watching a brief video, and earning $4 in less than 30 seconds. How fantastic is that? I'll show you how to watch a basic video like this right now and start earning $200 to $400 right away in less than a minute. Here's how much money you can make from just watching one video. You can expect to make around $4. You may earn $40 by watching 10 videos, and you can easily earn $200 by watching 50 videos every day. This is quite amazing, and all you need is a smartphone or computer to get started. And this method is entirely free and available worldwide. In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a free account in a moment, and I'll show you which video will pay you the most money the fastest. Plus, near the end of this video, I'll show you a real-life example and proof of how to get started, as well as a bonus tip that'll help you make an extra $300, so make sure you don't miss any of it. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, first, go to google.com and search for this term, twitch.tv, and then hit the search button. You should be able to discover the first link, twitch.tv, right here. Now, I want you to click on this link, which will take you to this page, which you can see here, where you can find a variety of videos and channels that you can watch for free. As you can see, the majority of these videos are game videos, thus we're gonna use videos like this one to make a lot of money online. Now, I want you to click on the browse button up there, and then you will be sent to this page where you may browse through many categories and videos available on this website, and I want you to concentrate on this area, which is the Fortnite category. This is one of the most popular gaming videos right now, so go ahead and click on this category, which will take you to the Fortnite section. As you can see, there are a lot of individuals who are interested in viewing these videos, and if you scroll down below, you'll discover even more videos that you can watch and earn money from. Now, for the next stage, I want you to go to this website, which is oke.io. As you can see here, this is gonna be the website that we'll be utilizing today to watch easy videos like this and make a lot of money online, as you can see here. And don't worry, it is actually rather straightforward, and I will teach you precisely how to do it in this video. Take a look at how it works. First, you must create a free account on this website before you can shorten a long URL link. For example, if I click on copy, I will copy this video link and then return to this website and paste the Twitch TV URL link right here. And then I will simply click on this button to shorten the link. This is the abbreviated URL that this website provides, and this is where the magic happens. Now, every time people click on your shortened link right here, you'll get paid per click over and over again. Also, depending on who clicks on your link, you'll get a varied amount of money. For example, if individuals from Germany click on your link, you'll receive $4, while those from the United States would earn $4.10. So let's have a look at the table below. See how the payment rate varies based on which nation they're from when they click on your shortened link. Now, take a look at this. There are currently people that are actively using this website and earning money daily, and they can supply you with a variety of payment choices such as PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. With that said, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me what your country's favorite payment option is. Alright, let me teach you how to sign up for a free account. All you have to do is click on the sign up button right up top, enter your username and email address, confirm your password right here, and click on this one to prove that you're not a robot, and then click on the submit button. After that, you can get into your brand new account and check how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can earn right here on this website. Now, because this is a fresh new account and we haven't shortened any links yet, you can see here $0. Now, I want you to return to twitch.tv, where we'll find 3 videos. The first video, the second video, and the third video. Now we will return to the first video, and once again, I want you to scroll down below and click on the share button. Copy this video URL link right here, and then we will go back to our account dashboard and paste the Twitch TV link right here into the box, and then click shorten. And you will see that this website will automatically help us shorten this link into a much shorter link. I'm just gonna copy right now, and then I'm gonna give you this done for you script right here. This is basically my Fortnite video. Post and you can copy and paste it and start generating money right away. Now, we'll give a little introduction to the game and then say something along the lines of, for more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch now. And this is where we will post the shortened links to the 3 videos right here. Let us suppose I'm gonna post the shortened link right here under the first video. As you can see, this is my first URL link. So every time people click on your link, you'll receive a varied amount of money based on whatever nation they're from. So all you have to do is repeat the process and go back to the second video right here and click on the share button and copy this long URL link. Go back to our dashboard, paste the new link right here from the second video and click on the shorten button, and once again, the website will automatically shorten the URL into this link right here, and then all I have to do is click the copy button and return to our copy and paste template, where all you have to do is paste the second link right here on video number 2, as you can see. Anyway, we're gonna go to the third video and scroll down below and click on the share button once more to copy the video URL link, and then go back to our dashboard, delete everything, paste the new third video link, click on the shorten button, and boom, we have got our final link, which we can just copy and paste into the template. I'm gonna give you the complete template right here, which you can just copy and paste and use to start generating money right now. As always, I'll give you some extra bonus suggestions before this video ends. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, I want you to go to forums.pcgamer.com, which is a very well-known and popular community where people debate various gaming topics, including Fortnite videos, and this is where a lot of active conversation and people chatting about gaming every single day happens. As you can see, there are over 37,000 messages and over 1,000 posts under the PC gaming discussion, under general gaming. And let us say I click on this link, and it takes you to this page where you can find different posts, and many people are writing very short and very simple posts on this forum, and they are getting a lot of views. When I search for the term Fortnite, I find that there are a lot of people discussing and talking about this issue, and there's a lot of demand in the gaming videos area right now. You can see people watching the Fortnite videos on Twitch TV. This forum right here is a great spot to copy and paste the identical template and share it with everyone else in the community, and you can make money if people click on any of your shortened links, and the more people who click on your link, the more money you can make depending on what nation they're from, and that is precisely how all these men here can make large money online right here on this website. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.